In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print stickers in Microsoft Word. Printing your own stickers can be a fun and practical way to create labels for products, addresses, crafts, or personal projects. With Word, you can easily design your stickers and align them with standard label sheets or custom-sized sticker paper for a professional finish. To get started, open Microsoft Word and go to the Mailings tab. Click on Labels to open the Labels window. Here you will find an option labeled Options. Click this to select the brand and product number that matches your sticker sheets. Many commonly used labels, such as Avery, are included in Word's library. Once you've selected the correct template, click OK and then choose New Document. Word will automatically generate a table in your document that matches the layout of your sticker sheet, with each cell representing a separate sticker. Now it's time to design your stickers. Each cell in the table is an individual sticker space, so you can insert text, images, or shapes into each one. Use the Insert tab to add pictures, graphics, or logos. Adjust your fonts, colors, and alignment to fit the design within the cell borders. Make sure that all content stays within the edges to avoid any cutting issues when printing. Before using your sticker paper, it's important to test your layout. Print a sample page on plain paper to ensure your design fits correctly in each sticker cell. This test allows you to check alignment and make any adjustments without wasting your sticker sheets. Adjust the printer settings and alignment as needed to ensure accuracy. When your test looks perfect, load your sticker sheets into your printer. Go to File and select Print, making sure your printer settings match the paper size and type you are using. Once everything is set, click Print and watch your custom stickers come out perfectly aligned and ready to use. For best results, use high-quality or glossy sticker paper. If you want a clean look, you can remove table borders by selecting the table and choosing No Border under the Table Design tab. Also, if your design is the same across multiple stickers, consider copying and pasting your content into each cell to save time. Finally, save your document so you can reuse or update your sticker designs in the future. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.